Hey, this is Ashley from A Pile of Ashes. Welcome to my channel. Hey friends, it's Ashley here. I just got the new gel press plate from the new Faith Expressions line. Keri did such a great job on this, and I just want to show you what's in the kit. Okay, here's how the kit comes, and you get a devotional, and then it comes with a cool rectangle gel press, a heart gel press, a cross, a diamond shaped, which I really like, and this fun double-sided, the flower, which I have a lot of ideas for, and the double-sided one. It has scallops on one side and triangles zigzag on the other. And this backing is pretty cool. You could definitely cut that up and use that in your Bible journaling, and then it has directions on the back, so make sure you check that out and don't throw it away. But 7-day devotional from Keri gives you some ideas and some ways to journal the devotional, plus she left some blank pages for you to play on. I really liked that, and some really cute colors and stuff to get some inspiration. And you don't have to store it in the big packaging. You can break it all down and store in your Bible journaling bag really easy. You can grab your own Gel Press Faith Impressions kit at gelpress.com. Thanks, friends, and see you later. Bye.